Hey guys, this is Joseph. This is the second part of my videos for homework 3. We're going to be talking about scaling drawings and why it's important. So you're given you're given a house plan, a site plan, and then a sidewalk cross section. And they're all different scales. Okay, if you notice at the bottom, my scale, 1 inch to 20 feet, this is important. So we're just going to walk through how you do this. You're going to need your engineering scale, and you're probably going to need to print whatever the 3 PDFs. So on your engineering scale you have 6 sides. You have a 10s, a 20s, a 30, 40s, 50, 60, and that's it. Okay, so if there's a scale that's 1 to 25, we can't use it. That's garbage. The civil engineer should be taken out back and beaten. So you know it's a nice number. So I'm gonna, on my little engineering scale, you guys can't see it. I have a 20 side. So the cool thing about engineering scales is there's little to no work involved once you know how to use it. So once I'm on my 20 side, I know that 0 to 20 is 20 feet. You know, all these numbers are correct. So what that 0 to 20 is telling me is 1 inch on this ruler is equal to 20 feet. And if you hold it up to your paper, you should see the 0 at 0. When you see the 10, it should have a 1. The 20 should have a 2. So now all you're going to do is measure all these sides of this house, and they're all at right angles. So it's really easy. So you can kind of see, I put the scale close enough that you can see that this is like 15 to 55. So, you know, maybe this is 40 feet. And it turns out this is, because I have it on my drawing down here. It is 40 feet. So that's cool. We know that. We're cool with that. So you just do this all the way around the house, and they're all right angles, and we just draw this. It doesn't matter where we draw it. We're going to look at the next one. So here's the site now. And I've given you dimensions on where you should put your house afterwards. So now we have a different scale. We have 1 inch equals 50 feet. So this measurement should be an inch. And it is. So we're doing the same thing. We're just mapping out all these different distances using our engineering scale. And I gave you where the house should be in relation to your site. So it's 50 feet in from this line, 75 feet down. You can use the move command, select a base point, and then move it. And then the last thing is this sidewalk that we want you guys to look at. The sidewalk is centered on this wall. Okay, and we don't know how wide it is, but we're going to use that with the last one, a cross section. So this one is in 1 inch equals 3 feet. So that's your entire thing, and you're gonna find out how long or how wide the sidewalk is, and then use your alignment like you did in the last homework, and it should be easy. It's a straight line, and then just offset it, just like that. That's basically engineering scale. It's hard to do online. Just remember that this number is really important, detrimentally so. So you always want to make sure that this is correct, or you know what it is. So that's cool. That should be it. We'll go over this more in class because you really need a paper copy. It makes life a whole lot simpler. But that's basically scaling.